Hey, you think you know Jamaica by the sand and sun. Postcard smiles, cocktails, everybody fun. But walk one street where the cameras don't go. Hear the real story that the billboards won't show. Zinc fence wisdom, barefoot youth. Mama still praying, teaching truth. Life get hard but the heart stays strong. We survive every day with a faith lifelong. No silver spoon, no easy way. Still we rise up anyway. From broken road to higher ground. Hear the real Jamaica sound. Beyond the beach and the luxury, there's a fire burning deep in we. Through pressure, pain and poverty, resilience build this country. No tourist page can tell this story. No brochure hold this glory. From the struggle we stand tall. Jamaica heart never fall. Jamaica heart never fall. Use them dream big with a pocket empty. Still full of hope and creativity. Talent grow where the system failed. Strength in the voice, truth in the tale. Gunshot echo but love still speak. Even when food's scarce for the weak. Community strong when the times get rough. We share the little when the little not enough. Through storm and fire we still remain. Turn every tear into a gain. From ghetto yard to mountain hall, we answer every time we call. Beyond the beach and the luxury, there's a fire burning deep in we. Through pressure, pain and poverty, resilience build this country. No tourist page can tell this story. No brochure hold this glory. From the struggle we stand tall. Jamaica heart never fall. Oh, 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 oh. Jamaica heart never fall. Peel back the layers. See the people, feel the pain, hear the power. Not a pity story, a strength story. This is the heartbeat of a nation. Beyond the beach and the luxury, real life shaped with destiny. From yard to town to overseas, we carry hope through history. No filter needed, no disguise. Truth reflected in we eyes. Far from the brochure, hear the call. Jamaica rise, we never fall. Oh, 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 oh. Jamaica rise, we never fall. Fantasy land. This is a resilient people.